Good evening, everybody. I'll start with naming of pieces, then basic movement, checkmate, stalemate, end position, castle, opening, to checkmate, and zugwang in this chapter. First, start with naming of pieces. This is called king. Next to king is called queen. Next to queen is bishop, two bishops. Next to bishop is knight. Horse is called knight in chess. Next to knight is rook. White king should be in black square and black king should be in white square. On your right hand side, white square should be there. This is called basic. This is the basic arrangement of pieces. White king in black square and black king in white square. Queen and king are queen and queen are facing the opposite sides. White queen is white square and black queen is black square. Next, bishop and knight and rook. I'll go to movements of pieces. Basic, in movement of pieces, bishop, first movement I teach is bishop movement. Bishop moves slanting. On your bishop, camel is called bishop in one day in Kannada and camel or bishop in English. Bishop moves slanting. White bishop moves in white square and black bishop moves in black square. Next to that is rook moves horizontally or vertically, straight line. Horizontally or vertically, straight line, but in straight line. Next movement I will teach is queen movement. Queen moves, rook and bishop combined together form the queen. Queen moves like bishop or like a rook. Okay. Now next movement I will teach is king. King moves only one step at a time. Only one step at a time. It can move forward or backward. All pieces can move forward but and backward, but only soldier will move only forward, not backward. King movement. Now soldier movement. Now, if soldier moves first time one step or two step, there is a one step or two step. First time it can move one step or two step. If it moves two step, this soldier can click like this. This is called end. If it moves one step, you can kill. But if you move two steps also, you can kill it like this. If you move one more step, you can kill it. If you move two steps also, you can kill it. It's called end. Check. Soldier moves only one step at a time, and first time one step or second time two steps. First second time one step. First time one step or two step. After that one step at only. And there is a special movement for moment. This is called end. Suppose soldier moves two steps, and soldier can like this is called end. Now I'll teach check and checkmate. Check. Suppose king is under attack. This is called check. This is called check. Now king can escape. This is called check. Checkmate means king is killed. Game is over. I'll show checkmate also. Check means king is under attack. Checkmate means king is now check kills the bishop. Then this is called checkmate. King can't move anywhere. This is called checkmate. Now I'll teach you. Yeah. Yeah. While opening the pieces, it is always better to open with central pawn, e4 and e5. After that, knight should be brought. After that, bishop should be brought, and castle should be done as soon as possible. You should not move the queen initially. You should not bring the soldier forward or soldier unnecessarily. You should try to control center, and you should not bring the bishop, queen unnecessarily. You should castle as soon as possible. White side castle is this one. Black side castle, queen side castle is like this. Now, queen side castle. Queen side. King side castle is called 0-0. Queen side castle called 0-0-0. Now I'll teach you stalemate. Stalemate is a special. Suppose you are losing, you have to produce a half point. This is called stalemate. Suppose queen moves here. Now queen has to kill the queen. Now king can't move anywhere. King is not in check. No moves are possible. This is called stalemate. This is called stalemate. This is a draw. King can't move anywhere. King is not in check, and no moves are possible. This is called stalemate. Now I'll teach you two rook checkmate. In two rook checkmate, you have to give alternative check to rook king. You have to block one column at a time. Now suppose white moves here, black moves here. Now rook moves to b4. King moves here, then you have to protect the king. Rook. King moves here, then rook a5 check. Now king moves to c6, rook 6 check. If king moves to b7, you have to do rook the rook. Rook should to move to g5. You have to give alternative. King moves here, rook g7 check. Now king moves here, rook a8 checkmate. Rook a8 checkmate. Rook a8. In rook checkmate, you have to use alternative rooks to block one column at a time. Now, 10% and in n, suppose soldier moves two steps. Now you can kill it like this. This is 10%. Now this checkmate. King can't move anywhere. This is called check, n%. One more example I have n%. I'll give. Suppose soldier moves two steps here. Now king kills it like this. This is called n%. Now king can't come here or here or here or here or here or here. This is called n%. Only when soldier moves two steps, it is possible. Now white to play and get a queen. Now you have to create one waiting move so that you will make. Now suppose white moves a7 and king queen comes here and prevents betting from getting queen. Now king moves here, then it is a waiting move. Black king is forced to move forward. Then king, wherever it moves, it's called Jugwang. Discard, you will get a queen. Now one more. One more. White to play and create a passed pawn. Now b6. If soldier a6 kills, then c6. Then if he kills, it is unstoppable queen. This is called passed pawn or jugba. Again, I will show one more. If c6, c pawn kills a6, king soldier kills, now pawn push. It is unstoppable. Did, did you get? Oh, okay. Thank you. I've taught you name of person, basic movement, checkmate, stalemate, end point, castle, opening, puruk checkmate, and jugba. Thank you for listening. Wish you all the best.